It's got the button on the side. The back is all in there and functional. Let's try it out with some film. Oh yeah. USB-C. And you should be able to see the light once it's been charging through there. Let's do some films. It's gonna be pretty easy to do it manual eject because you have plenty of time before it actually picks up the next slide. You can just let it go as soon as you can kind of feel when it's done. So I'm a little bit over on that one. So it doesn't matter, you still have some time before it eats up the next one. I type, USB, big Roid.